Are you tired of switching multiple X, Twitter, accounts across devices and browsers? Worry no more. In today's video, we're showing you how to manage multiple Twitter accounts on a single browser, completely free, with the power of Genlogin. Twitter's security is getting smarter. Logging into multiple accounts on the same browser or IP can raise red flags, leading to account bans. That's why you need a smarter solution. Subscribe now to our series on managing multiple accounts across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X with Genlogin. Now, I will guide you on how to log in and manage multiple Twitter accounts using Genlogin. To log into Twitter on Genlogin, you first need to prepare a file containing the account list and proxy to fake IPs. If you don't have a proxy, go to the Proxy Manager section to purchase either residential or data proxies. To create a profile, go to Create Profile in the upper left corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Add feature to create multiple profiles quickly, but this requires a paid Genlogin account. After creating the profile, proceed to add a proxy by selecting the profile and clicking Update Proxy. Copy the proxy into the corresponding field and check if it is working properly before updating. Once the proxy is verified and working correctly, click Update to save the settings. Open the profile, go to the Twitter, X, login page, and enter your account details. Paste the Twitter login link into the address bar for quicker access. After successfully logging in, click Reload to ensure everything is loaded properly. If managing multiple accounts, group them together for easier organization. When not in use, you can close the profile. In the future, when you need to use a Twitter account, simply open the profile and click Start. Now, you can interact with posts on Twitter as usual. That concludes the tutorial on logging in and managing multiple Twitter accounts on Genlogin.